Good morning, students, and welcome to our lesson on STEM verbs in the preterite. I want to apologize to start because my voice is not 100%, so please bear with me when I sing momentarily. Today, our objective is to be able to identify the 12 STEM verbs in the preterite tense. We should already be familiar with these three types of verbs: the AR verbs, the ER-IR endings, and the KAR-GAR-ZARs. If you recall from previous lessons, we've learned this song before, but let me refresh your memory. Here we go. Hasta o, amos astesaron, el pretérito. You can clap for the accents if you wish. Iste yo, imos hicieron, el pretérito. KAR-GAR-ZAR, que say, irregular in the yo, and el pretérito. Hopefully that all sounds familiar to you, but sing it a few more times if you're still unsure how to conjugate the regular verbs or the KAR-GAR-ZAR verbs. Let's move on to the STEM verbs. Here are the 12 STEM verbs in the preterite. We've talked about stems before. For example, normally the stem of hacer is HAC. However, in the preterite, the stem is going to be HIC. Tener is no longer ten as its stem. It's going to be tuve. So that's what I mean when I say these are STEM verbs, because their stem is different in the preterite. It would be good for you to memorize these 12 verbs and their new stems. But we're not quite done with them yet. We need endings to put on these stems. And so here are the endings you're going to use for all of these STEM verbs. To form the yo form of hacer in the preterite, you're going to take the stem and the ending in the yo to form hice. The to form would be hiciste. The ella, hizo. Nosotros hicimos, hicistes, hicieron. So you'll notice for every conjugation, you use the stem and the appropriate ending that you would like. We're going to do a lot more practice, but first I have another song for you to learn. This song is on YouTube. You can see the link right here. I'm going to sing it a cappella, but feel free to look at it online afterwards on YouTube and sing along. It's from Senor Jordan. Here I go. Tener estuve, estar estuve, ires fui y también ser, poneres puse, poderes pude, traje es para traer, hacer hice, haber hube, saber supe, querer quise, decir dije, venir vine, ver vidar dino acentos. And that's the song to La Cucaracha. You'll notice two verbs are not in there, andar and conducir. These two are also STEM verbs, and you do want to note them right there. Now, one thing I would like to mention about this song is Senor Jordan, who made this video, gave all the yo forms. Tuve, estuve, fui, puse, pude. Those are all the yo forms. However, if you know the yo form, you can figure out the to form and the he, she form and the other ones. Notice the endings here. So now it's time to practice. I provided for you a couple of practice activities in the Week 3 folder. Please go to our website, schoology.com, find my class, and then go to the Week 3 folder and find these two quizzes. They will be called practice quizzes. The first quiz you can take up to 20 times just for practice, and the second quiz you can take up to 5 times. Once you've done those as many times as you need to master it, I'd like you to go into the Week 3 folder again and go to the mini quiz and the preterite test. Each of these you can only take one time, so make sure you study and practice hard before you take these two assessments. I hope this has made sense, and if it does not, please feel free to go to the discussion board page on schoology.com and post your questions in the community discussion board that we have. I'd be happy to answer your questions, and another student probably has the same questions you do. Good luck. Buena suerte. Adios.